Greetings to the Grove. Pastor Faison here, just stopping to give you a quick shout out, Watson Grove, just to really congratulate you on the wonderful accomplishment that the Lord, through your hands, has wrought here at the Grove. Reverend Curtis W. Goodwin Sr., View from Above, our balcony project is complete, it's finished, it's the Lord's doing, and it's marvelous in our eyes. I just wanted to pause and just to say thank you as a congregation, and to also give special love to our balcony vision team. Deacon Sean Kilchrist, Deacon James Covington, Deacon Maurice Jordan, Deacon Andrew Minor, Trustee Fred Johnson, and Sister Valerie Oliver. You have no idea the kind of work, the kind of labor, the kind of planning that went into making this project a reality. And we owe them so much for God using them in a powerful, powerful way. So I gotta say publicly that I appreciate them. But I also want to give a shout out, special shout out to Sis Bernice Goodwin. Such a model of grace and such a wonderful honor to even see her face on the day that we dedicated this balcony in the honor of her husband. We love you, Sis Goodwin, always will. Just wanted to pause and really give you three things to tell you why we did the balcony. First reason was to honor Pastor Goodwin. I am well aware of the legacy upon which I've been called to build upon, that he began 37 years ago, and he built upon the legacy of those who came before him. We all stand on the shoulders of others, so I definitely wanted to make sure that we as a church made a cognitive and intentional effort to never forget where we come from. Pastor Goodwin was a jewel here, and now he's a jewel in heaven, and we thank God for him and for his labor. Second reason we did the balcony was to create room for what the Lord is doing. Our vision here is to be a growing church with growing people whom the Lord will use in growing his kingdom. Well, if we're going to grow, and that's our plan, that's our goal, then we got to prepare for that growth. We're praying that the Lord is going to fill those seats as we begin to grow and do what the Lord has called us to do. God has anointed us for an assignment. This is part of that assignment. The third reason we did this balcony, not just for the legacy of Pastor Goodwin, and not just for making room for the growth, but the third reason we did it was because of faith. This was a faith move. Watson Grove has always been known as a church that steps out and does things that others perhaps say they can't do. But sometimes we lose sight of the faith that God has placed in us. Well, now we have a visible reminder. Every time we walk in the sanctuary, every time we walk in this church, we get reminded by taking a glance, taking a look at the balcony, what the Lord is able to do with those who take their faith and the fruitful work of their hands and put it together. The Lord is able to do exceeding abundantly above all we could ask or think. My prayer is that we will use this success to build upon and to go forward and to do everything that God has called us to do. Again, this is the Lord's doing, and it's marvelous in our eyes. Congratulations, Watson Grove. I'm proud of you. Love you to life.